Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in southeastern Europe and a neighbor to Montenegro, Kosovo, North Macedonia, and Greece. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Albania, Albania, Al, Bay, Ni, So, when we put it all together, it's pronounced as Albania. Albania is rich in history and natural beauty. With stunning landscapes ranging from rugged mountains to beautiful coastlines along the Adriatic and Ionian Seas. It's also known for its unique cultural heritage and historical sites. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Albania, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.